Underground water leak detection equipment repair. Auburn drain cleaning. Now, this is Pollard water leak detection equipment. These brass pieces are called geophones. This is the original old school equipment for locating water leaks in underground pipelines. This is the real stuff before all the battery operated stuff came out and flooded the market. This stuff works. So these geophones are super sensitive. They're like each one is like a bionic ear. They don't require any batteries. They use the old-fashioned stethoscope. This is a vintage piece of underground water leak detection equipment, and so when I got it, it needed repair. The repair is very simple. All I had to do was go to Home Depot and get the correct size tubing, cut the old tubing off, put the new tubing on, cut it to length, and fix it on both ends. And then, as an added bonus, I cleaned out the earwax out of the stethoscope portion. This equipment works very well. It originally came in a wooden case. It has a little piece of wood there, and there's a screw in here that goes to it. It's down here in the stuffing to hold all this in place. So the way it works is you trace your water line where it is underground. In the old days, if you have a big pipeline, you can trace it with just even a small pipeline. You can even a water main for a home, a small water line to the hose faucet. You can trace it just with this equipment. But the easier way, the more professional way that I've found to be the most accurate is use a line locator to trace the pipe and paint the line on the ground where the pipe is, and then pinpoint it with this equipment. That's a more professional approach. If you don't have a line locator, it doesn't matter. This equipment, you can still pinpoint the leak. The way it works, you place this geophones on the ground, and then you put the earphones on. You want to do it in that order because these geophones are so sensitive, they'll blow your eardrums out if you don't use it properly. If you put these earphones on and drop one of these to the concrete, it's going to damage your ear. You're not going to be happy. You're going to notice it. It's going to blow your eardrum out. So you place them on the ground and then put the earphones in, and you listen. If you want to listen for the sound of running water underground, indicating that you're near the leak, and then you move the geophones around. You take the earphones out first, then you move the geophones and put the earphones back in. And as you do this, you want to find the area on the ground where the sound is the highest volume, where you hear it the loudest, and that is where you are closest to your leak. So you mark it on the ground, dig it up, fix the water leak. Anyway, fixing these is simple. They don't need batteries. Nothing really goes wrong. The only thing that was wrong with this one when I got it is someone had cut the tubing shorter, so that when I went to use this, I had to bend over as I walk around and stoop over, and that's not a good way to work. That's just asking for a back injury. So I replaced the tubing with longer lengths that are more suitable to my height. Cleaned the earwax out, and it's good as new. Super sensitive. I don't need a bionic ear with batteries to find a slab leak or other water leak, this unit right here will do the job just fine. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.